Hi, my name is Bernd Rietberg. I work at TNO, a Dutch research institute on defense-related technology, such as drones, nanophotonics, and magnetics. Now, as a kid, I always wanted to be an inventor. I remember when I was 6, my dad told me that that was called an engineer. So I got into physics to learn more about the whole engineer side. Last year, I was working on mapping all the different types of disruptive mobilities that are coming up at big cities around the world. And I was trying to figure out how that whole mobility picture fits in with the whole new disruptive types of mobility systems, such as flying cars, Hyperloop, new avatars where you are remotely somewhere, and how that fits and integrates into society. And because of that, I thought it would be amazing to actually know more about the working mechanisms of flying taxis. Well, I learned about Udacity's flying car Nanodegree through tech sites that I follow, actually. And the program seemed extremely challenging. Time investments to that, like 15 hours per week, and doing that aside from my full-time job would be quite the challenge, because the program set up really structured, and there's a lot of help from the community and the mentors. I was able to do it, and it was really a nice experience. I'm working on a project called Silverwing, which is building a one-person, fully autonomous electric fixed-wing drone for the Boeing GoFly competition. Our system kind of looks like a flying motorcycle. The interesting thing about our design is that it actually it flies like this, and then it sort of lands on its tail like a rocket. And this allows it to be super efficient for each phase of flight. And by joining this challenge, we will show that the world of mobility is ready for the next step, which is personal air mobility. Now, with the team in the challenge, we've already won the first 2 rounds, which we're super proud of. So that's really cool. And we hope to win the finale, of course, next year as well. And after the competition, we hope to continue building these heavy payload aircraft for a couple of different industries. Firstly, actually transporting cargo, and then transporting people in the future. So the Nanodegree really helped me in understanding all the different aspects of building these heavy payload drones. It focused a lot, of course, on the autonomous flying part, where control systems was really important for engineers to learn. And for myself, I applied this because I am on the integration and business development side of the team, where I help the team to think about, okay, what's the next step going to be, and what are we going to develop as the next product? And there I really need to understand all the different aspects of building these heavy payload drones. And that really helped me to, well, talk better with the technicians, to learn about what is actually possible, what's the next level in technology. If you're thinking about going into this whole world of autonomous systems, be it autonomous flying systems or autonomous cars, I would say really get your project started and just start building these really cool devices, because I think you can if you just have a cool team and just start working together. So thanks, Udacity, for introducing me to the whole flying car scene. I also made a lot of friends actually with the online community, so thanks for that as well.